Anyhow, so we did a little bit of a jump here. We were going to do stuff in Disneyland, but Ivan called them. They're here. They're on the tram right now. I don't think we gave you the thoughts on the goo-goo drums. And yes, they are pronounced goo-goo drums. I think you'll...
The Cantonese, because my family hails from southern China, Canton, Hong Kong. Goo-goo is like drums, percussion. I'm not sure if I mentioned this before, so it's kind of redundant. So yeah, it's like goo-goo, like goo-goo dolls. It's really nice. They're from Shanghai, I believe.
Yeah, and
Shanghai Disney, actually.
well, they have those balloons from Shanghai Disney, right?
Indeed, I saw when there's someone in a wheelchair going by. It was low enough. I saw it. Shanghai Disney.
Made in China.
Authentic.
Yeah, exactly.
Anyway, but I don't know a whole lot about like folks and fables and all that from China. Very much an American girl, but it's very nice. It's a different style.
I like the really heavy drums. You really feel the vibration in your chest.
Yeah, I felt it too.
It was a very long show. It felt like a half an hour.
It was about half an hour, yeah. But a good variety of things. Very different.
Oh man, my my arm was getting tired trying to record that.
Yeah, I felt bad after. And we're facing the sun too, so I was
like I didn't bring a tripod there. I usually don't.
No.
And even then, like I like to be able to move it easier. If I'm using a tripod, it's not as easy to kind of pan your shot quickly or zoom quickly. But yeah, I hope the shots you got are pretty good. The only problems I had weren't with the band. It was during construction. They had a lot of beeping, and then a wheelchair behind us was beeping a whole bunch. So it's like if it's not beeping from my head, it's beeping from behind.
I was wondering, is that difficult to keep pace? No. I looked, I turned around, I saw someone backing, but I saw some people like kind of shaking their heads too.
So yeah, let's just hope that didn't turn out too badly. I might try to see it again another time, just because it's a fun show also. Anyway, let's go meet up with Ivan, and I think Nareh is there too. And maybe Anna, we'll have to see. See you there. And here's where we lurk, waiting to ambush the wild Paddington in its native environment. Well, I mean, really, the UK, the Paddington train station will be its native environment. But this is a good one too. He really enjoys coming here. And one of his favorite treats, which I think he wants to get, is from Award Wieners. I enjoy Award Wieners too. What is Paddington from Paddington Station? Mr. Brown says, what's your bear name? Or what's your name? And Paddington says, wow. Oh, you don't speak bear? It's like, and then Mrs. Brown says, I was going to give you a proper British name. It's like, I was going to be Paddington. Oh, I like the sound of that. Paddington? And then I think he spills like tea or something on Mr. Brown. And thus begins their early tumultuous relationship, but then they grow to respect and admire each other and love as a family. But anyways, we're waiting for Ivan, whom I call Paddington. That's just my nickname for him. But we want to stalk him and see if we can creep up on him like I did that one time. Oh, I see him. Kind of sneak up on him. Trust again! Ivan, show me your wiener.
It's right there.
Nice. What kind is that?
Bacon something.
Nice. Go and enjoy it.
I don't know if I'm gonna like.
Yeah, I already got that.
Is it good?
Which one? I have just regular hot dog with ketchup. Anyway, we'll get your impressions after. Are you gonna do the 2 ketchup technique?
No.
Yeah, that was a good.
Oh, that was fun.
You liked the music, didn't you?
I love the music. I thought it was hilarious.
Oh, you saw that?
Yeah. I followed you.
Oh, did you? Some fun stuff.
Scared.
Paradise Pier looks so sad right now.
Why?
Maybe you're scared.
What if it gets messy?
Who cares? Everyone.
Alright.
It's fine your money.
Cheers. Zoom in.
Zoom in.
Put a French fry in his hot dog? Trust on the teddy bear. Should have said it earlier, right mid-bite. Good?
Pretty good. There's a lot of happening.
Looks like onions.
It's like onions, bell peppers, spicy ketchup, and bacon bits.
Is it like a chorizo ketchup?
I think He is like a chuddy something.
Gotta put the accent on.
Or Riesling.
Go.
I should have just got a regular one.
Yeah, that is a little rough.
Well, you get that all the time though. And now we got fries. Yay! Well, ketchup action for Ivan. Show that technique. Oh yeah. Oh, ketchup action for Ivan. Show that technique. Oh yeah. Well, here we are on Little Mermaid, obviously. Under the sea. Under the sea.
Your 2 scenes early here.
Yeah.
I wanna see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far.
Now we got finished with Little Mermaid. Now we're heading back to Disneyland after everyone got their AP buttons. We were gonna ride Goofy's Castle. Said 5 minutes on the app, but it was not. More like half an hour. Trust. Time for pirates. Woohoo! Pirate's life for me. Guess from this long serpentine passage, we're heading into Indiana Jones and the Temple of the Forbidden Eye next. Pirates of the Caribbean was fun. We had a full boat, no problem, so a lot of fun there. Let's see if Ivan gets killed by a trap or not. Don't step on the diamonds. Well, not right now, but later on. Trust. Oh, you'll turn into one of the skulls on the ground up here. Have you ever tried to pull this bamboo right here on the left? Yeah, the one right up here, yeah. Doesn't usually work. You gotta pull it hard. Really just pull it with both hands. And when the ride first came out, they gave out these little big, basically business card size things where you could read the stuff on the walls. Or else the spikes come down and you die. We have completed Dr. Jones's perilous plight. I forget what the kind of Indiana Jones roller coaster Disneyland Paris is called. It might have something to do with peril. Either way, we finished Temple of the Forbidden Eye here.
Yeah,
Good rides are. We were in the back. I think it's better in the front.
Someone keeps looking.
Yeah, they do. And we are off to Mickey and the Magical Map. The rest of the group has parted ways. They're going to go do some other things. Because we kind of already had our schedule planned for the day. We didn't, when we made our schedule, we wouldn't have been like knowing anyone else would come. And that was just kind of just chance that they decided to come on the same day. But we met up for a little bit.
It's good to see old faces and new ones.
Indeed. Anyway, see you over there.
It was a map unlike any other. A wondrous map with power to transport dreamers to any